Now we also get a lot of calls about hand dredging around people's boat lifts, their docks, about stuff that's built up under there to where they can no longer get the boat in. Once you've came in there and you've dredged and you've solved the problem with them, what is the solution to maintain that? Hi, my name is Jamie with L.E.W. Here with my father, Les Woodring. We're a family-owned and operated business for the last 15 plus years, specializing in aquatic services.
That's where the Aquasweep comes in. It's a submersible pump underwater with a propeller that jets water all the way out to a 100-foot radius. It'll keep the sediment from coming back in. When we go in there, we hand dredge underneath people's boat lifts or their docks, whatever it needs to be done. They're like, well, what's going to keep this from happening again? That's where we provide the Aquasweep. Once we get it mounted, and it can be dock mounted, it can be pole mounted, it can be a floating one. But it'll move the water, it'll move across it, and it'll blow all the sediment away. It works really good under people's docks, you know, stuff that, especially fresh water, because they get the sediment that's underneath there, and they go, where's my beach? You know, I can see the sand in spots, right? So that's where this Aquasweep comes in. You can get the dock mounted one, or however we have to mount it, and we set it, and we've got it with an oscillator head on it, and it'll do it itself. It'll oscillate and it'll clean, and within weeks you'll have you a nice sandy beach underneath around your dock where other people won't. Not only that, the vegetation that's grown, it'll blast the dirt stuff away from it, and it makes it a non-pleasing environment for like lily pads and stuff like that. So people know that when they first had their lake, or it's been a long time lake, they know there's a nice sandy bottom, they just can't see it. And we can't come in there and just hand dredge little areas because it'll just wash back in. So the Aquasweep, it'll rotate with the oscillating head, and it'll blow up to 100 feet and push the sediment back out into deeper water. It's sediment that's already there, so you're not polluting the structure, you're polluting the integrity of the lake. It's stuff that's already there. It's just old vegetation. All it's doing is pushing it out into deeper water, and you have a nice sandy, clean area.